Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 19th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, we closed down $1.12, minus 4.43% at 24.16, all even numbers, and post-market we are up 5 cents. We had a great green candle yesterday. I drew this congestion zone yesterday, and I also did some little maintenance. My charts were getting full of lines, so now things are a little bit clearer. I hope you appreciate it. So basically, yesterday we had a nice green candle that was basically a bounce on the support, here. We bounced on this support and went super high here. I put the resistance at 25.77, so we broke outside of it and came down a little bit. And today we opened right here and went down. So we are having a higher low from what compared to the candle of yesterday and a lower high. So a little bit of a consolidation move, a sideways move. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. We opened right here at 9:30. So 9:30, we opened quite low compared to the candle of yesterday. We opened right here and went super high, just right to this resistance. This is also new. Right up there to this resistance, and we hugged it for a little while, and then the stock did not have enough power to break this resistance, either going sideways or even going up. So there was not enough buying pressure in the stock to do that. So we are basically coming down. So coming down, a little bit of a buying pressure here, but see how it did not move stochastic that much, and then the stock continued to drop. And from an hourly perspective, we are under 50. We are at 20 stochastic. Break over bearish right around 130. And the MI has turned negative also. Going back to the daily chart, I'll need to put back my thumbs up and thumb down. So we can do that together. So right now, stochastic is at 63. Not too bad, but not too great either. It's still a thumb up. For the DMI, we have everything green. For the MACD, we have everything green. We have the bullish crossover that came around this point here. So this was a nice point to buy. I have a lot of lines. I have a lot of indicators and everything. You can just buy when the MACD is crossing over bullish and sell when it crosses over bearish. So if you are looking for a very simple strategy, you can do this. So you could have bought right here, and you would have sold right here. So this is some amount of money that you could have made, and you could have bought right here around July 28th, and you could still be in the stock. So relying on MACD is nice when there's a change in trend. When there's a market where we are in a congestion zone, then the MACD is going to give you a lot of false signals like buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. The congestion zones are not very good for our indicators because they make our indicators go crazy. This is when drawing the lines at the same time as looking at the indicators can help us decide. Sometimes we should not maybe listen to the MACD, and this is why I like to take into consideration other indicators. Okay, in terms of the DMI, this is also green. So from an indicator perspective, everything is pretty much green for Palantir. Yesterday, I did not extend this right here. So I think I'm just going to do this right now. I'm just going to extend this line right here, because this is really part of the overall trend. It started right here on May 10th, and we have been touching this support here several times. So July 19th, July 27th, August 2nd, blah, blah, blah. So this is the main bull trend right here, and I created a corresponding parallel resistance right here above here, and we see that we touched this on April 26th and also on June 28th. This is the line that was bugging me, that has been bugging me for a couple of days. So this line, I feel this was a little channel right here, and that channel I feel like it's over, so this is why I have created this congestion zone instead. So Palantir is in a congestion zone. It can remain that way until we reached the support, and then it can resume at that point. So this is one possibility. So this would give the stock time to just absorb what has been happening, because when you have this big move up, you will have people that will sell to take some profits, and that might counteract the push from the buyers. So then you have a congestion zone when things are being hashed out. So people that want to buy, but people that want to sell, and at some point we are going to run out of sellers or buyers, and this is what is going to put a buying or selling pressure in the stock, and also a movement in the stock. It's not unreasonable what is happening right now. This is fine. We just need to be patient as always. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. Why not? And also you can join my YouTube channel for $5 a month, and you will get exclusive access to my weekly chart videos I do on the weekend for Tesla and Palantir. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you la prochaine.